If you want to transfer data from your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 or to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we can use the Samsung Smart Switch app. Now you should have it pre-installed on your tablet. If we go to the Samsung folder, then over here we should be able to find the Smart Switch. Of course, we need to tap on More and Continue. Now over here we need to grant some permissions, so do that. And then over here we can choose if you want to send the data from this tablet or receive on this tablet. So you want to choose the corresponding option. So if you have like an iPad or something, or even an iPhone for example, then you should be able to go to the App Store and you can get the Samsung Smart Switch on your device, and then you can use it quite easily. And if you have Android, then of course you can easily open the Play Store and find the same app if it's not Samsung, because usually Samsung devices already have this app installed, so you shouldn't have any issues with finding the app. But on any other Android device, you will need to download it from the Play Store, so you can definitely use that. Now, in case you want to transfer only some files, if you don't want to transfer everything at once, then in that case, you want to use a third-party app that allows you to easily transfer the data. And in my case, what I like to use is the Send Anywhere app, which is available on Android and iOS. This is the app that we are looking for. I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you how to use it in order to send the data between your devices. So of course, make sure that you install the app on your Galaxy Tab A11 and of course also on your other device, whether it is a tablet or even a phone. Now in this case, we need to agree to terms and service and also privacy policy, and we want to press continue. There we go. We need to grant some access to files, and we can also allow notifications, of course, but we don't have to agree to new updates. We can just check not now and press OK. We can also use Wi-Fi Direct in order to send files. Now, if you want to transfer data from your Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we can go, let's say, to photos, videos, and so on and so forth, and we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So we can select everything that we want to transfer. We can select from different categories at once. So let's say I'm going to choose these 4 files, and now we want to choose send. Once we select everything, you will generate this 6-digit code or key that we need to enter on our other device, or you can also scan the QR code within the app. Now on the other app, if you want to receive these files, then at the bottom we can choose receive. Over here we have the input key field where we need to enter this 6-digit key that we have generated, or over here we can open the QR code scanner by tapping on this icon. And of course, if you want to receive files on your Galaxy Tab A11, then you just choose receive and just do exactly the same thing. It looks pretty much the same on both Android and iOS devices. And this one is definitely better if you want to transfer only some files, if you don't want to transfer everything. And Smart Switch is used to transfer pretty much everything, to if you, for example, switch from old tablet to this new one. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.